Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's episode of Design Like a Pro. My name is Nefertiti and I'm a graphics consultant at Avi Design Studio. In today's episode, we shall be looking at the power of colors in design. This video is brought to you by Avi Design Studios. Stay tuned. In this class, we are going to learn the interpretations of colors and how they play an important role in graphic design. So let's get started. Colors play a vital role in our everyday life and design. They trigger emotional responses, and that is why, as a designer, it's important to know the definition and symbolisms of colors, as this will guide you towards making better attention grabbing designs. What are colors? Colors are perceptions, they are simply the physical appearance of an object. They are appearances that reflect light. At the same time, colors elicit emotions and feelings. They carry certain information. The importance of color in a design is that it enables an audience to form an initial impression of a brand without knowing what the product is about. There are three main types of colors. We have the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. The primary colors are colors that cannot be gotten by mixing any other colors. These are red, yellow, and blue. On the other hand, secondary colors are made by mixing equal amounts of primary colors together. Blue and red mixed together make purple. Yellow and red mixed together make orange. Blue and yellow mixed together make green. Tertiary colors are combinations of primary and secondary colors. There are 6 tertiary colors. We have the red orange, yellow green, blue purple, and red purple colors. To use and to understand these types of colors, you have to understand the color wheel. The color wheel is an arrangement of all colors on the spectrum based on their relationships with one another. Two colors opposite each other on the color wheel are called complementary colors. This combination provides a high contrast and high impact color combination. Together, these colors will appear brighter and more prominent. Tetradic colors are composed of two sets of complementary colors opposite each other. You can use colors by simply using the monochromes of one color. Monochromes are simply color schemes made up of different forms of a particular color. You can also use them by creating a contrast. A contrast is the play of light in a design. Having understood what color is and the types of colors, a major thing to bear in mind is the perceptions and symbolism of colors. This can be called color psychology. Color psychology can be defined as the study of how colors affect perceptions and behaviors. In design, it is important to note the traditional interpretations of using various colors, as it allows us to understand and use colors to our advantage, especially when it comes to marketing a brand. I shall quickly highlight on some major color perceptions to guide us in understanding the role of colors in designs. Red has a range of symbolic meanings to many different cultures, including life, health, courage, anger, and love. Red is associated with the heat of energy, passion, and love. We see, we see red when we are angry, and it's also the color of blood, power, and danger. Ever wondered why most restaurants use red in their designs and logos? Well, they use red because red stimulates people's appetite, making them hungry. Red is stimulating as researchers prove that it can increase our heart rates, and this is why it has the ability to jumpstart our appetite. The next important color is the color blue. Blue connotes peace, tranquility, loyalty, security, trust, and intelligence. Blue represents both the sky and the sea and is associated with open spaces, freedom, intuition, imagination, inspiration, and sensitivity. This is why it is used by various business related companies, softwares, finance, pharmaceuticals, industry, banks, government agencies, and education because it connotes security, intelligence, confidence, faith, and trust. Green is a color of life, renewal, nature, and energy. It is also associated with meanings of growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility, and environment. Traditionally, green is associated with money, finances, banking, ambition. Green used in logos or flyers conveys the message that your brand is environmentally friendly. This is why it is popular with organic and vegetarian brands as well as companies that strive for ethical practices. Yellow is the color of the sun, smiley faces, and sunflowers. It's a happy, beautiful color full of hope and positivity. It's another color that grabs your attention, and for that reason, it can also be used to signify caution, like red and orange. Yellow in designs connotes friendliness, healing, and cheer. Brands which are seeking an audience with a comforting, warm embrace and youthful energy adopts yellow. It grabs attention and makes an audience feel optimistic. Orange is the blend of red and yellow, and this is a mixture of the energy associated with red and the happiness associated with yellow. Orange is associated with meanings of joy, warmth, heat, sunshine, creativity, success, encouragement, determination, health, stimulation, sexuality, balance, expression, and fascination. Orange in design suggests boldness, flamboyance, and youth. These dynamic, energetic colors work across industries, evoking everything from determination to creativity to success. Brown is a natural color associated with the earth and it gives a sense of stability and support. Brown is warm and friendly, practical and dependable, and it can also represent tradition. Brown, when used in designs, represents utility. You can also use brown to give the impression of a well established heritage and a sense of tradition. Black is the strongest of the neutral colors. On the positive side, it's commonly associated with power, elegance, and formality. On the negative side, it can be associated with evil, death, and mystery. By using black in a design or logo, it connotes authority, strength, formality, elegance, and power. It can be either conservative or modern, traditional or unconventional, depending on the colors it's combined with. In design, black is commonly used for typography and other functional parts because of its neutrality. Black can make it easier to convey a sense of sophistication and mystery in a design. Purple colors are a combination of red and blue and takes on some attributes of both. It combines the passion and energy of red with the calm and serenity of blue. Because of its associations with royalty, purple is inherently prestigious and luxurious. It is often associated with creativity and imagination too. In designs, purples are used to evoke royal connections. It can also be used to add a dash of spirituality to your brand. Before you select a color for your brand, there are essential questions to look around. One, what do you want to project? Two, who are your audience? What are the essential components your brand wants to project? Does it connect with power, nature, energy, appetite? And what colors would best project these ideas? This brings us to the end of this episode where we discuss the general ideas about colors. Thank you.